Well, I wanted to do a screen recording of my program Snake. I unfortunately am not able to get it to run without error. I've got it to run a couple times without error, but the only concern I have is the original Apple is supposed to appear on the screen when you start, and for whatever reason, I'm not seeing it on the screen. So I tried to maybe adjust some of the window settings, and I'll show you what I mean by that, just to show you some of my troubleshooting that I've done. Um, I tried to maybe adjust these random integer values since we're opening the screen with a standard zoom, which should put it from -10 to 10 and then from -10 to 10. So my gut feeling was that these should have gone from -10 to 10. And so I tried adjusting those because the A and B values later on are going to represent um, where it says pixel on here, that this line of code represents where the Apple starts. But I'm not getting any errors there. It kind of gives me different spots as I make adjustments. But um, these codes here, these are just creating the boxer on the outside. This is helping you figure out directions, up, down, left, right, which way it's going to move. This turns the pixel off once once it gets on top of each other. I believe that line of code was a little confusing to me. Just couldn't seem to find the error. So I'll run it. Again, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. More often than not, it doesn't. So let me quit out of here. We'll go program. We'll go Snake, and we'll run this baby. And see, that time it goes up. Not every time does it go up. Sometimes it goes down, but it tends to stop at this XY or YX ordered pair where we're trying to turn that pixel on. Maybe just try to retype it and see if I have. We'll just see if that maybe helps. Let's see. That was under. Oh, that was under draw. Draw points. Pixel on. And maybe we can just try to redo this here. Let's go alpha. Y, alpha X, and I'll go second quit, and we'll try just to run this one more time. Maybe that'll catch it. Tried to see if maybe I was missing a parenthesis somewhere. This error message didn't help. I've got some experience coding, but not much in the TI, so just don't really know what it's asking me to do here. Usually I know when it stops there, it indicates there's an error either before or after it, typically before. Just couldn't find anything wrong. So, I've given the explanation what I understand. This line of code, the if x equals b and y equals a, that's actually when, I think I said earlier, that's when they meet. This is actually where the snake runs into the apple, and then that awards the user more points. And then this dimension creates a larger window range, essentially. And then it basically just starts the process over again. So any feedback would be greatly appreciated. I'll take some screenshots and send them to you, but that's unfortunately the best I could get out of this one.